I need it. I need it in the other three colors. I need it in addition to this is the black. I need it in the other three colors. Yum.
I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey low key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Jaleesa here. And y'all know it's a new week, so we gotta put on some new hair. And y'all, today we have that viral TikTok braided wig. And trust me, y'all, she is worth the hype. She is full lace, y'all. She has this super thick elastic band in the back, so it's very easy to wear glueless. Since I am applying this wig by myself, I am cutting around the back of the hairline because it does have excess lace around the entire unit. So I'm cutting that off so it's just an easy install for me. Next, we're going in with the lace tinting spray in medium brown. I believe this brand comes in about 6 different colors, y'all, and this one was perfect for me. So if you are my shade, y'all get the medium brown. She's perfect. And honestly, they've gone up on price on these, but it's a perfect blend. But you can also use your foundation, y'all. So if you don't have that spray, use your foundation. It works just as well. So next step is cutting off those ear tabs. And since this is a full lace unit, you will have to cut any excess you see behind the ear. But the main thing is making sure that your ears fit outside the wig comfortably. As long as your ears can fit out, you are on the right track and you can keep moving on with the next steps. All right, so over here we work smarter, not harder. Do not go in and put the lace glue or lace spray across the entire front. Cut it into 4 smaller sections so you can get a seamless install. Next, we're going in with the picking shears I always rave about from Amazon. Y'all, these are godsend. It does such a great job of really making a jagged edge around the hairline so it blends into the skin so beautifully. So I have officially upgraded to the Supreme can, y'all. You know I was using the original for such a long time, and now that I've tried the Supreme, I'm not going back. The biggest difference I see with the original to the Supreme is the hold. Y'all, if you want to keep this on for a few days, use that black can. But going into the order, we always cut the lace with the serrated scissors. Then we're going to spray down with the even spray. And then we're going to use a rat tail comb to really press that lace into the skin. So we're going to do those same steps with the next 2 sections. We're going to cut the lace, spray with the even spray, and then press the lace into the skin. And rather than me boring y'all talking the whole time, let's play some music so y'all can see the rest of these sections come together. So now that we have the entire unit laid across the front, I am going in with the even spray, spraying it onto my finger, and then pressing it on the lace. I'm going right in between where the hair starts or the hairline starts and the braids, y'all. And this is the best way to get that permanent seal on that. And then if you do see any ashiness around that area, it really helps as well. Now, y'all saw I just pulled out my baby hairs. I will be tweezing those, y'all, because that is too much. But I do want to lay it in between there, lay my elastic band or my headscarf between there, just to make sure that gets a really good seal. Now, since this is a full lace unit, y'all, I did go in with some even spray right in those center braids
just to make sure we got, it's not going to be moving nowhere because you know we don't need no slipping wigs, y'all. So she is on there. Y'all, please trust the process. This looks scary right now. Please do not leave these baby hairs on here like that, y'all. They purposely make them long like that so people can customize them however they like. So, your best bet, y'all, is to just mimic what your natural hairline looks like. If you have a very thin hairline and hardly any baby hairs, you want to continue to keep tweezing until it looks as similar as possible to what you normally have. Now, I did go pretty thin, y'all. I like almost a no baby hair, barely baby hair look. So I kept pulling that in, but y'all see I'm feeling myself. I am obsessed with how good this unit looks. I just went in with that ORS jelly. Y'all know I use this all the time. I did see y'all comments. I have linked everything below, all the products, y'all. So if you want to go and get it, you can, anything that I can find on Amazon, I pull. But y'all see the difference between the left and the right. I'm obsessed with this unit, y'all. So the tweezing did take a little bit of time, but now that we threw it, y'all, it was absolutely worth taking your time and tweezing this, cutting down the baby hairs, slicking down the baby hairs. Girl, this hair is giving. And I've had 3 or 4 people ask me, where did I get my hair braided, y'all? They said, where did I get my hair braided? I was like, girl, I sell wigs, and literally gave her a business card. This wig is everything, y'all. This is amazing for people that don't want to sit in a chair, but it's also amazing for people that don't have natural hair and they are looking to still be able to rock braids. So if you know anyone that has suffered with hair loss, y'all, this is a perfect unit for them. But y'all, love y'all per usual. Y'all been amazing. I appreciate y'all tuning in and joining this journey with me. It has been amazing. And like I always kind of end my videos now, y'all, do something that scares you. Do something that you'd be nervous to post. Do something that you've been nervous to talk about. Just go ahead and do it. Face your fear. And I will see y'all next video. I love y'all. I love y'all. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed, y'all subscribe. Join the family. I love y'all again. Bye.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them.
Y'all, don't tell me I didn't just go get my hair braided. Don't even say it, y'all. Eats, left no crumbs, y'all. She eats. No crumbs left. Oof. Take me to somebody's beach. Can I go on somebody's beach? This is vacation hair. Hercules. Y'all, fire. I need it in the other 3 colors. I need it, in addition to this is the black. I need it in the other 3 colors. Yum. Y'all, does she look even better walking away? Y'all let me know. Does she look better walking? Finito. Done.